So my channel is going to take a little detour, and the sky is literally the limit. Get it? Because we can't travel. So the sky is literally the limit. Oh, thanks, Gizmo. Can you get out of the way? Get out of the way. So anyway, I want to cover... Gizmo. Okay, hang on a second. Excuse the butt. There we go. I want to cover other things that I like, and unfortunately right now that can't be traveling. So instead of going through the hassle of opening a new channel, I'm going to use this channel to showcase or to share some of my other interests. I do not want to make a blog. I do not want to show you what I ate today, unless it's something really funky. Most of it's going to be based in Taiwan, of course, but then I might talk about some other stuff as well. So, cheers to the sky being the limit. You are the best movie character ever. Have you thought about a career in acting? You should really consider a career in acting. You quite have the eyes and the physique for it.